Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best spreader clamp reviews. Number 5. TEKTON 24 inches into 2 and ½ inches ratchet bar clamp. Quick release button helps to position the jaw freely to your desired position. Soft jaw pads ensure secure grip, but they won't damage your workpiece. To change from clamping to spreading, you just need to exchange the fixed jaw to opposite side. Ideal for carpentry and furniture projects. Brand: TEKTON. Weight: 2.05 pounds. Model: 39184. Color: black and red. Size: 24 inches. Dimension: 37 into 8.2 into 1.5 inches. Number 4. Vessi DUO38 12 inches dark lamp, one hand clamp or spreader. Can be used for both clamping and spreading. Turn the knob to change the mechanism. Large clamping jaws offer spacious and flat surface for work pieces. Soft pads won't damage sensitive surfaces. Innovative pump lever requires less effort for clamping and spreading. Brand: Vessi. Weight: 1.68 pounds. Model: DUO308. Color: black. Size: 12 inches. Dimension: 8 into 4 into 2.7 inches. Number 3. Vessi DUO658 24 inches dark lamp, one hand clamp or spreader. Ideal for sensitive, rounded and pointed work pieces. Large flat jaws and soft pads make it suitable for sensitive surfaces. Changing from clamping to spreading is easy by turning the knob. Innovative pump lever makes clamping or spreading very easy. Brand: Vessi. Weight: 1.91 pounds. Model: DUO658. Color: black and red. Size: 24 inches. Dimension: 14 into 7 into 4.7 inches. Number 2. Quick Grip Quick Change 506 QCN 6-inch bar clamp or spreader. Multi-position jaw can change fast and it can be positioned anywhere. Quick release trigger helps to clamp quicker than other spreaders. Ergonomic pistol grip allow maximum clamping pressure along with a comfortable grip. Brand: Irwin Tools. Weight: 1 pound. Model: 506 QCN. Made in USA. Dimension: 2.4 into 2 into 2 inches. Number 1. Vessi DUO458 8. 18 inches dial clamp, one hand clamp or spreader. One hand clamp reduces hand fatigue. To change from clamping to spreading mechanism, you just need to turn the knob. Soft pads help to clamp sensitive workpiece. Ideal for flat, rounded and pointed object. Pump lever mechanism helps to perform effortless clamping and spreading. Brand, Bessie. Weight, 1.94 pounds. Model, DU0458. Size, 18 inches. Dimension, 14x7 x 4.7 inches. Clamping force, 800 pounds.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!